What up guys? Welcome back to the Hall of Fame YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing on the Daniel Arsham IKEA collab. Let's jump right in. Daniel Arsham is a New York-based artist from Cleveland, Ohio. He's really known for fine art, architecture, and performance arts. He kind of rides a fine line in between, so it's really hard to put a box on him. Anything he makes is very sought after. Clocks like this have sold for upwards 15K. I'm pretty sure all of his pieces are in the 100Ks by now. Daniel's also done some of the most sought after collabs in the market. He's worked with the likes of Dior and Nike, just to name a few. This piece is made out of plaster, not plastic, almost like a vase, and really cool to the touch. Seems to have a little locking mechanism right here. It's probably gonna hold the clock. And there's the clock. Basic clock. And here are the pieces again. It seems like the clock. It just kind of snaps in there. Let me get a battery first though. And there we have it. Before the pandemic, I got to see his art exhibit in Paris, France, and it was truly one of my favorites. So I'm really happy to finally own a piece in my collection. If you aren't familiar with his art, I'd get familiar. It is really cool. And that's basically it. Just a short one for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.